Hi guys, welcome to the part 3 of this tutorial on how to set up your Shopee seller account. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can activate your COD and pick up option in Shopee. So initially, upon signing up, you will not be able to see an option to activate your cash on delivery. If you go to your shipping to the My Shipping tab in your account, all that you're gonna see are these couriers, but the COD is nowhere to be seen. So in order to activate that, you need to have, number one, at least 10 different products in Shopee. So in part 2, I showed you enter how to display your products in your shop. So you need to have at least 10 of those products, at least 10 different products, and they must all be live. And number 2, your location must be serviceable in one of Shopee's shipping courier. So Shopee has 3 different shipping partners. One is Black Arrow, second is Exposed, and third is Ninja Van. So if your pickup address is serviceable to at least one of these couriers, then you can apply for a COD in Shopee. You can find out if your location is serviceable by checking this help section in Shopee's page. I will include this link on the description below so you can check your own location. So here there are 3 links here. Just if click here to see the serviceable location for Black Arrow. So I'm in Metro Manila, so I will click list of Black Arrow areas for Metro Manila. There's here from Mindanao, so check that. And you should see all the locations here. If you can't find it in Black Arrow, then it's probably there. It's probably available in Exposed and Ninja Van. But if in any case you cannot find your location in one of these couriers, so that means you're probably not entitled to apply for a cash on delivery. Your only option to avail or to take advantage of the cash on delivery is to have a different pickup location, or otherwise you can't. Otherwise you can't have a cash on delivery on your account. From time to time though, these couriers add a new location, so it's possible that your pickup address might be serviceable in the future. But if you don't see it right now, that means currently you just can't apply for a COD. So if you see your pickup address in one of the links here, then that means you can already apply for a cash on delivery. So in part 1, I showed you how to enter your pickup address. You just have to click the My Addresses here and just add a new address. So I've already added mine. So after that, once added, all you have to do is wait for 7 days for Shopee to approve your COD. You're going to receive an in-app notification. It says here, the seller should receive a notification in-app within 7 days with instructions on how to activate free shipping. So Shopee will inform you once it's ready to set up. If In my account, there's currently no cash on delivery, but I'm just gonna show you an account where the COD is already activated. Shop profile, my shipping, and here it is. So before there was just only these couriers, but here there is actually already a black arrow integrated COD enabled. So that means you're entitled for a cash on delivery. And once it's approved, you just have to activate it here. Once it's approved, you need to remember to go to your products page, and manually edit each item page to activate the cash on delivery, because it's not going to automatically update on its own. So once you have the cash on delivery, go to each item page, for example, and here just activate this one. You will see that it's grayed out. Just activate it, and you're gonna have to do that in each item page. Right now, I only have Black Arrow as my only COD choice. For other lucky sellers who are in Metro Manila or in the city, they probably have three of those COD COD couriers. So they're lucky because they have more chances to get more sales. Because the thing is, buyers really love to order with a cash on delivery option. They feel safer with it. So that's it. That's how that's basically how you add a free shipping and cash on delivery option to your shop. And stay tuned for part 4. I am going to discuss the different I'm going to walk you through on the different functions that you'll see in the Shopee seller homepage. Bye.